In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Trello boards to ClickUp. By the end, you'll have your Trello work moved into ClickUp with just a few clicks, and you'll know what to expect at each step. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct ClickUp workspace where you want your Trello boards to live. Open that workspace in ClickUp. Being in the right place at the start saves you from moving things later, and you'll need the proper permissions in ClickUp to perform imports. Next, open the workspace settings. Inside settings, look for the imports and exports area. This is where ClickUp keeps all tools for bringing data in from other platforms. Choose import items and you'll see a list of available sources. Select Trello as your import source. ClickUp will prompt you to authorize access to your Trello account. A small window may appear asking you to allow permissions. Click Allow to connect Trello to ClickUp. If you manage multiple Trello accounts, double check that you're authorizing the correct one. You can revoke this connection later in Trello if needed, but you'll need it enabled for the import to run. Once authorized, ClickUp will display your Trello boards. Choose the boards you want to import. You can bring in one board or several at once depending on your needs. Selecting only what you actually use can make the import faster and keep your workspace tidy. If you've been meaning to archive any old boards in Trello, doing that before import can help reduce clutter. After selecting your boards, pick the destination space in ClickUp. This is where your imported items will appear. Choosing the right space helps keep your structure organized from day one. Now proceed through the import wizard by clicking Next. These screens confirm what you're bringing over and may summarize how items like lists, cards, and fields will map into ClickUp. Continue with Next to review and confirm. When everything looks good, click Next again and then Complete to start the import. The import will run in the background. Larger boards or many boards at once can take a while, so feel free to let it process and check back. When the import finishes, head to your chosen space and verify that your tasks, lists, attachments, comments, and due dates are in place. If anything looks off, adjust your ClickUp views or statuses to match how your team works. To avoid duplicates, run the import only once per board. If authorization fails or you see permission errors, make sure you have access in both Trello and ClickUp and try again. That's it, your Trello boards are now in ClickUp and ready to go.